From Columbia, South Carolina, this is SGTV News 4. I'm Spencer Buckler.
And I'm Erin Slowey. USC's Faculty Senate is considering a pass-fail option for undergraduate students this semester. If approved, students could request a pass-fail grade after final grades have been submitted. It would not be calculated into the student's GPA. Students that earn an A through C letter grade would be converted to an SC, a grade of D plus or D would be converted to an S, and a grade of F would transfer to a U. The proposal will be voted on at the Faculty Senate meeting on Wednesday at 3 p.m. The Board of Trustees met on Monday through a teleconference call and discussed changes to academic programs and the hiring of a new governance consultant. Cameron Howell was selected as the consultant, and according to USC spokesperson Jeff Stensland, Howell will help the governance committee to review best practices for strengthening existing policy. On Monday, President Kaslan and senior leadership held a town hall through Microsoft Teams for students and families. Viewers were able to submit questions for the president to answer. There will be another town hall on Tuesday for faculty and staff.
South Carolina's public beaches, boat ramps, and landings are closed to prevent the spread of COVID-19 after Governor McMaster issued an executive order earlier today. On Twitter, the governor said that the decision was necessary after behaviors observed by law enforcement this past weekend. This comes after South Carolina DHEC announced 151 new cases of the coronavirus in 41 counties today, bringing the state's total to 925. DHEC also announced 2 more people in South Carolina have died after getting the virus, bringing that total to 18. 40 of the new cases today were here in Richland County. The county has the highest total in the state, with 135 cases. In response, the Richland County Council will send a letter tomorrow to the governor calling for a stay-at-home ordinance. The City of Columbia's ordinance went into effect yesterday.
President Trump extended the federal social distancing guidelines to April 30th. The president said that he is making American lives a priority, and the economy is number 2 on his list. He also said that U.S. deaths will probably peak within the next 2 weeks. However, experts warn that the virus could kill upwards of 200,000 people in the U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi discussed the Democrats' plans for the 4th phase of the coronavirus bill. Pelosi said it would focus more on infrastructure and the protecting of frontline workers. The FDA is allowing the use of unproven treatments of anti-malarial drugs to try and treat the virus in an effort to slow the progression of COVID-19. Currently, there have only been a few small studies showing the benefits of the drug.
There are now nearly 800,000 cases of the coronavirus worldwide. Around 160,000 people around the world have recovered from the virus, and nearly 37,000 people have died. Today, the death toll from the coronavirus in Italy rose by 812, bringing the country's total to over 11,000. Today, the Italian government said the nationwide lockdown would last until Easter at earliest. Also in Europe, France reported its highest daily number of coronavirus deaths in one day, with 418. The nation has over 20,000 people hospitalized due to the virus. However, after widespread testing, Germany has one of the lowest coronavirus death rates in the world. Only 560 of the over 63,000 people with the disease have died there, bringing the rate to just 0.9%.
The Dow is up 690 points, or about 3.19% today, despite market unease. It's currently 71 degrees outside with periodic clouds. Tomorrow's high is 68 degrees with showers later in the day and a low of 46. From Columbia, South Carolina, I'm Erin Slowey.
And I'm Spencer Buckler. This is SGTV News 4.